Process of handing over Kalbajar. But there's anger among the 600 Armenians living in the area to the extent that many of them have set fire to their homes as they have left. While the deal has been celebrated in Azerbaijan, it's led to angry protests against the Armenian Prime Minister, Nikol Pashinyan. Well, Nagorno-Karabakh is internationally recognized as part of Azerbaijan, but it's been run by ethnic Armenians since a war in the 1990s, and it's surrounded by disputed areas. Kalbajar is one of several districts in Azerbaijan which were controlled by Armenian separatists, but for decades were won back by Azeri forces in the last few weeks. Over the next 2 weeks, Armenia is also due to vacate these other areas in yellow, but it's going to keep control of the Lachin Corridor, a mountain pass that connects Nagorno-Karabakh and Armenia. Osama bin Javed spoke to Azeris who were displaced from Kalbajar decades ago and now live in nearby Tonya.
This family is celebrating the return of Kalbajar to Azerbaijan. They say the region is their life, and their poetry speaks of the memories of the mountains and the plentiful land. But Gulchora Ramazanova also gets upset looking at what is happening there. Many Armenians are burning homes and schools as they hand over the region.
All the houses are burnt in my village. My heart nearly exploded with grief when I see the treachery and betrayal. Why? You come to our furnished houses. They did not belong to you.
During the war with Armenia over Nagorno-Karabakh that ended in 1994, Irshad was a soldier in Azerbaijan's army when his people were forced to leave Kalbajar. He remembers how hundreds died during the exodus.
Tens of thousands of people passed through this road. It was so cold. I saw many people standing who were frozen, stranded vehicles with frozen bodies. So many people suffered amputations because of the frost.
The government has extended the deadline for combatants to leave Kalbajar by 10 days. The Azeri army is fortifying its positions but says it will wait until Russian peacekeepers ensure Armenian fighters have gone.
Right now, it is not our task to force Armenians to leave all these, these three regions. That's the task of peacekeeping troops. That's why they moved in. And it is their task. We will ask them. That's our backup plan.
Gulchora showed us the key she's kept for decades. A reminder, she says, for occupiers who finally left.
After waiting for nearly 3 decades, the people of Kalbajar are eager to return. But with so much still pending, including the role of the peacekeepers, the clearance operation and rebuilding of infrastructure, it could perhaps take months or even years before they can return home.